The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is finally here, and it's making waves with a bold return to its rugged roots while still embracing the future. Welcome back to Cars Info Point, and in this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the all-new 2025 Land Cruiser, from its design and performance to the new tech features that make this SUV a true legend reborn. Toyota's strategy with the 2025 Land Cruiser is clear. Go back to what made the nameplate iconic while appealing to a modern audience. The new Land Cruiser rides on Toyota's TNGA platform, which is shared with the Tundra and Sequoia, offering a robust frame and excellent off-road capability. But what's really exciting is that the 2025 model is significantly smaller and lighter than its predecessor, making it more agile and suitable for a wider range of drivers. Under the hood, Toyota has swapped out the traditional V8 for a highly capable 2.4-liter, turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine. This iForce Max powertrain produces an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-ft of torque, giving the Land Cruiser plenty of muscle both on and off the pavement. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive, making it a true off-road beast while also improving fuel efficiency, a big plus in today's market. When it comes to design, the 2025 Land Cruiser has taken a retro-modern approach. The boxy silhouette, round LED headlights on certain trims, and functional roof rails all harken back to its classic design, especially the legendary 70 and 80 series models, yet everything feels modern, clean, and refined. It's tough but not outdated, stylish but not flashy. There are multiple trims to choose from, including the 1958 edition, which gives off serious vintage vibes, and the higher-end Land Cruiser trim loaded with advanced off-road gear and a larger infotainment. Step inside and you'll find a rugged yet practical interior. Toyota offers a 12.3-inch touchscreen on higher trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital gauge cluster, and plenty of physical buttons and knobs for those who like their controls simple and functional. Seating for 5 means more cargo room in the back, which is a plus for adventurers needing extra gear space. Materials are durable and designed for hard use, perfect for the overland lifestyle. Safety hasn't been ignored either. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. You also get a multi-terrain monitor, crawl control, and a locking rear differential, making this one of the most capable Land Cruisers ever made, with a starting price around $55,000. The 2025 Land Cruiser offers serious value. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about delivering a true off-road ready SUV that works just as well in city streets as it does on the trail. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Land Cruiser legacy or discovering it for the first time, this 2025 model delivers on nearly every front. Thanks for watching Cars Info Point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and all the latest car updates.